What's up, crew? I got a few toys here from the chemical guys in the mail the other day, and just sitting here looking at them, wanted to talk to you guys about them. I got the wash bucket. Chemical Dudes wash bucket. This thing is thick, like your girlfriend, but that's how we like them here in the lodge. Man, this thing is sturdy. It's a whole lot nicer than what I had anticipated getting in the mail. Then we got the dirt trap, like your other girlfriend that the first girlfriend don't know anything about. Funnel shaped to catch all the trash. You know what I'm talking about. Then we got the lid that goes on the old bucket. This thing's pretty stout too. You could probably even don't. Then we got the pump sprayer. It's called Mr. Sprayer, which is what my stage name used to be anyway, I got this right here to put my tire cleaning stuff in and my wheel cleaning ingredients in, because I didn't want to contaminate the foam gun with a more harsh tire stuff. So I would suggest to you guys to keep that separated. Get you something like this. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. And when I do, I'll do a video to show you guys how this bad boy works. Last but not least, we got the Ferret. It's a tire brush, y'all. They also have one called the Gerbil. No, that was your girlfriend. But they also have one called the Weasel. The Weasel is a little bit softer bristle. It's more like a microfiber. This one right here is a little bit stiffer. For the hard to reach areas, to get all that dirt and grime out of your tires, or your wheels down in the cracks and crevices. So hadn't tried this out either, but it looks pretty cool. It's got a wooden handle with a hook on it, so you can hang it on about damn near anything that you can put that on. So when I T&E the Weasel or the Ferret, whatever this brush is called, I'll let you know. All right, ladies and gents, I got a recipe mixed up right here for the chemical guys pump sprayer, Mr. Sprayer. I got some purple stuff in here. You guys know what that is. And I put a little dab of the Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash from Chemical Guys. So I usually mix up purple stuff and some type of car wash for my wheels and tires. And then we're gonna spray this bad boy, see how it works, and use the old Weasel or Ferret thing brush on it. Stay tuned. All right, crew. As far as the pump sprayer, man, I like it. You can see that it's got an adjustable nozzle on the end. You can stream or fan it out. I tried to do that in the video for you if you could see it. The trigger here is simply just press down for spray, not spray, but it also has a button here that you slide forward for continuous spray. So this is a win-win right here. I love I like the sprayer. That way you can keep your, like I said, you can keep your wheel cleaning stuff separate from your car washing stuff. You're not cross-contaminating, and the bubbles really get in back behind the lug nuts and all the cracks and crevices. All right, for the Ferret. The Ferret worked okay. As you can see, these Rally 2 wheels on the Pontiac are slotted. They don't have holes in them. But still yet, this was able to get in around the lug nuts really good. But I think this type of brush right here, especially the stiff bristles and being round, would probably work better in a wheel that's got holes in it, like my truck, or I don't know, a wheel that's got a tighter design, like maybe the old Trans Am style honeycomb wheels, stuff like that. But for these slots in a Rally 2 Pontiac wheel, I think probably the other brush that's more of a microfiber, I think the Weasel they call it, I think that one would probably work better than this. But still, this is a good brush. This is going to conclude the T&E for the Mr. Sprayer and the brush. And I'm really impressed with the stuff that I've been getting from the chemical guys. So check them out. Their products have been, so far, their products have been better than anything that I've tested, anything that I've tried in the past. So give them a look. Go to their website, check them out. Check out some of our T&E stuff on Mechanicsville.com. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe to the Mechanicsville YouTube channel, because you know, if you don't, there's a chance your house could catch on fire. Don't risk it. See you next time.